Okay, so the idea with a function like this is you want to think of this as f of x. So whatever is this x, this notation means that it's almost like x is kind of getting plugged into this machine called f. I like to think of a function as a machine, right? So here's our f. X is getting kind of plugged into it. And what comes out of x is 2x cubed plus 2. So we have this machine called f, and it takes x, it cubes it, multiplies it by 2, and then adds 2. So that's what this notation is. So what this means is that whatever's inside these parentheses here, so in this case negative 2, that takes the role of x. So like this x is that x right there. So if I'm trying to find f of, let me use another color. Let's do negative 2. Okay. Oops, that's not a pen. Come on. Okay. What I have is 2, and then for that x, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in negative 2. Okay, and I'm going to cube it, and then plus 2. So I'm basically doing this, except whatever this x is, what's inside these parentheses becomes x. Okay, so now negative 2 cubed is going to be negative 8, right? You have a negative, you raise it to an odd power, it's still negative. So this is 2 times negative 8 plus 2. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16 plus 2. So this is going to be negative 14. Okay. Okay, so now g of positive 2. So let's do g of, and then we'll do positive 2 equals, so what's g? This is what g is, okay? So it's negative 4 times, and then the thing that's being multiplied by negative 4 is whatever's in those parentheses, right? Whatever's being plugged into g. So in this case, 2. So this is negative 4 times 2. And then the minus 1 is just part of g. So negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, minus 1 is negative 9.